We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there, it's Brett over here at Onyx. In this video, I'll show you how to clean the scanner glass on your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M479 FDW. The first step is to open the scanner lid and expose the glass. Next, you need a glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. Do not spray the glass cleaner directly onto the scanner glass. This may damage it. Instead, spray some glass cleaner on a cloth and then wipe the scanner glass gently. Just like that. Sometimes you may notice some whiteout or other marks on the glass. If that happens, just clean it again and clean with the cloth until it's clear. If you're using the automatic document feeder, your ADF, right up here, and you see some defects on your scanned documents, you may need to clean the small strip of glass next to the scanner glass. That's this strip right up here. If the defects persist, it may be time to service your printer. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.